Hi! So this is awkward. Isabel, this is for you. Since you're forcing me to do this, I'm being bribed to do this. So this was the poster board for my graduation party. So there are a bunch of really attractive pictures of me in like a Star Wars costume, some marching band photos, in my choir dress. Yeah, I was one of the really popular kids in high school. Really popular. There is currently no food in my house. Are you ready for this? Bam! Look at that. Our refrigerator broke and the freezer broke too. So yeah. I talk to myself all the time, but it's different when there's like somebody watching me, like, hello? Like, it's weird. I guess I could throw in a little clip of my dog. He's pretty cute. Oh, come here, baby dog. Oh, this is Kitsune. Say hello to YouTube. Hi. He doesn't like when I make him pose and do stuff. Oh, see, look, there's a dog out there. Look, there's a dog. He's my baby. He'll be a year old December 29th, if you can believe it. He's already 10 pounds and he's not even a year old yet. Oh, he's chewing on my hands. Yeah. No. Like the cutest little jelly bean ever when he was a baby. Cute baby clip. Hello. And now he's a big old whopping doggy. Big old whopper, look at him. Like, check this out. Or whatever. I ate 2 whole boxes of pasta and an entire bag of tater tots yesterday. To prevent further dragging out of this awkward monologue, I'm just gonna say, till next time, YouTube, I guess. Isabel, why are you making me do this?